Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. I am back after 3 weeks. I lost count. Hi, I'm back. Went on my trip. It was really nice, relaxing. I am a little jet lagged, but I am back. New glasses? One of my new glasses, yeah. Yeah, it was I really needed it, and it was a good break from the vlogging. Hopefully my vlogging gets a little better now that I took a break. I noticed that if I don't take a break once in a while, the vlogs get they decline and they're pretty bad. Because I don't have the creative juices in me right now, that's why. Hopefully it's a little better. Today I woke up, I didn't have a day off today, even though it's Sunday. I woke up, I went in to open the store, or trained someone else new to open the store. And then I came back, I'm about to have some lunch, and then I don't have to go back to the store until 7-ish, because for a meeting. Ooh. And then tomorrow I have a half day, because I have to make up for it. Basically, you know the drill, what I do when I have meetings. But yeah, came back for some lunch, I ordered some sushi. But yeah, I'm free until 7. I might do some laundry, actually, after I eat. So yeah, I ordered some sushi, it's a lot. I forgot this place's rolls are ginormous. It's like kind of over order, but that's okay, I have food for afterwards. If you're wondering, I'm still doing the no sugar kind of thing. But kind of different. I think I've mentioned this before. I'm allowed to have sugar, or as much sugar as I want, on my days off. But when I have work, the 5 days, I try not to have sugar. I've been pretty good. So I did lose some more weight when I was on my trip because there's a lot of walking. But in general, I am still losing weight because I have cut back sugar still. Even though I'm having it, it's still cutting back a lot more than I used to have, because I would have sugar every day, basically. So it's going well. So I'm very happy about that, and I'm going to continue losing weight. It's slow right now, but you know, I'm not going to deprive myself from food. Even my face is skinnier now, so I'm squishing it. Not as bloated. The green tea lemon water I have every day now has also been helping a lot with my digestion, and has helped with the slimming too, so that's pretty good. Even though it does sound nasty, green tea and lemon, it actually kind of works pretty well. It doesn't taste as bitter as I thought it was going to be. Anyway, I ordered 3 types of rolls. I ordered a spicy tuna roll, a salmon avocado roll, and like a salmon unagi roll. I forgot what it's called. I think this one's the salmon one. This kid's running outside right now, probably that's what you hear. If you don't, then my camera's not that great at picking up sound. It's a salmon, spicy salmon. That's good. Like that. Oh, sweet. I bought this game, I think, 2 days ago, and it's very addictive, which is really strange. I spend 8 hours a day running a store, and I come back to run a simulation of another store. I don't know what it is. It's just very therapeutic to restock shelves and price things and move product around for I think looks better. I think it's because I don't have that complete power in my own store. Like I'm running my store, but I still have to follow guidelines of what we're supposed to do. Whereas this one's is all me. I think that's just what it is, and it's fun interacting with customers. It's just really addictive. I don't know why. It's still in its betas because it's early access to the game, but a lot of people have been playing it, and a lot of people are liking it. Like, look at all the positive reviews. I'm not gonna show my face right now because I look like crap. I had so much trouble sleeping last night and the day before. That's why I didn't vlog much yesterday. So sorry guys, I don't know what's going on. Even though yesterday I went to bed like at 11 because I was so tired, I woke up like at 6. It's about 7 hours, but I'm still feeling really groggy, but I couldn't go back to sleep. So this is what happens when I travel. Because in general, I have problems sleeping along with jet lag. It's just horrible. Anyway, I'm about to make some, I guess, breakfast. It's almost 10, so I'm gonna eat something now. I have some pork. I always make this. It's cheap. This whole pack of pork was $6, and it for 2 meals is not a bad thing. I'm just heating up my pan right now. But yeah, it's been a rough 2 days, 3 days actually. I think today I'm probably gonna sleep very well because I'm really so busy at work today with doing some stuff, setting up the store. So I think I'll sleep better. Here is my breakfast slash early lunch, brunch, I don't know. It's basically a lot of leftovers. Leftover rice. It's not a full bowl, it's just like half a bowl because I'm still watching how much rice I eat. I am allowing myself to eat rice again and carbohydrates. Got some pork, eggs are gonna expire, 2 kimchi, that's, I think it's radish and something else, and then some sausages that were going off. I think it expired tomorrow, so that's why I eat it. So I'm gonna eat. I'm actually have a great appetite right now. I don't know why. Usually when I don't sleep well, I don't have a good appetite. But yeah, I'm gonna eat. Not sure why I decided to fold all my laundry that I put off for 2 days all of a sudden, because I guess I put it off for 2 days. I'm so tired. Work kicked my ass today. I think I'm gonna sleep for a while. It's only 11:30 right now. I just grabbed a shower and everything, but then I was like waiting for my hair to dry. I might as well be productive because I don't want to turn on any shows or video games right now. I want to keep my tired state. But then again, I fall asleep playing video games, so you know. Unfortunately, the only thing I can't muster energy for is the dishes from lunch today. I'm gonna have to do them tomorrow morning. I'm so tired. I'm sounding groggy too, but yeah. Very, very busy last 2 days with a mixture of not sleeping properly and me running around the store. Almost fly. It's just very tired right now. My hair is decent, but yeah. So because of that, I think I'm just gonna probably zonk out today, and I'm working late tomorrow, so it doesn't matter if I don't wake up on time. But knowing me, I'm probably just gonna wake up at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., but that's fine. Actually, it's not fine, because it's only 4 hours of sleep, because I'm probably gonna go to bed at 12. So hopefully I wake up at 6 or 7 tomorrow instead. But yeah, no, I don't know what came over me. I'm like, you know what, since I can't play video games or watch TV, I want to keep tired, I decided to fold laundry. But at least that's out of the way. I'm quickly put that away, but basically I brush my teeth and get ready for bed. Just knock out. That's the plan. I feel like I failed my vlog this week. My first vlog back and I fail. I don't know, it's just, I think it's because of my sleeping being so bad all week that I didn't have time for footage. So yeah, that's completely my bad. Sorry, I'm not showing my face because, ooh, blurry. Hello, let's fix that. Come on, fix. Is it not gonna fix? There you go. Yeah, I'm not showing my face right now because I look atrocious. I fell asleep just now. I showered and everything, and I was just on my phone setting my alarm, and then I zonked up. I'm zonking out like completely within a minute. That never happens. That's how tired I am. Today was a little better. Like today I woke up at like 8, and then I basically slept like 9 hours. So this is why I lasted longer. But around 8 p.m. at work, I started like falling asleep again, because I haven't, even though I slept 9 hours, in general I'm not sleeping enough, because as I told you guys, I'm a person that needs to catch up on their sleep if I've lost it. So yeah, so maybe I shouldn't have started vlogging again this week, knowing the fact that I'm still recovering from my jet lag and sleeping thing. I just need like 2 days in a row where I can just sleep properly. So right now it's 11:30 and I'm like passing out as it is. So the last 3 days has been like this. Basically, I wake up really early because I slept so early or couldn't sleep properly. Even though I was sleeping early, I think the worst case was I slept at 11 and I woke up at 4 a.m. and that's only 5 hours. So that was the worst one. But basically, I'm waking up early. I get up, play some video games, make food, and then I go to work because I do a late shift. And then I come home, it's already 10, and I'm tired as hell because at work it's been a lot of changes. I gotta change up the layout of the store and all that stuff. I gotta train my new floor supervisor and all that stuff. So I think it took it out of me. So I've remained tired, but there's a bunch of chores I need to do. Like my kitchen is a gigantic mess right now. Because I'm just literally waking up and then cooking food and going to work and coming back and going to sleep right away. Like that's been my last 3 days. I haven't really played video games, let's be honest. But today was a little better. Like today I woke up, before I even touched anything else, I did some dishes and I folded laundry like I did yesterday. So it wasn't too bad. So, because I didn't want tomorrow my day off to be utter pain of me cleaning and wasting my day off. But yeah. So yeah, so this vlog has been kind of a bust, but you know, I promise it'll get better. You know, I don't know why my sleep is so bad, but I'm really sleepy right now, so I'm gonna zonk out. But I remember to end the vlog, so I'll see you all next week.